In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and export a video in Submagic. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a project, make your edits, and export a polished video with the right settings, ready to download and share. First, head over to submagic.co in your browser. Log in using your credentials, and if you have access to multiple workspaces or accounts, choose the one you want to work in so your project lands in the right place. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see the option to create a new project or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, create a project and give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. If you already have something in progress, simply select it and jump back in. Inside your project, edit the video the way you want. This is your chance to trim clips, adjust timing, refine visuals, and fine-tune any elements that matter to your story. Keep an eye on the playback preview as you go. It's the best way to catch small issues early and make sure everything flows. When you're happy with the result, it's time to export. Look to the upper right corner of your screen and click Export. Here you'll see options to adjust quality and FPS, or frames per second. Quality affects how sharp your video looks and how large the final file will be. Higher quality means a crisper image but a bigger download. FPS controls how smooth motion appears. If your original footage is 24 or 30 frames per second, match that for a natural look. If your content has a lot of motion and was recorded at a higher rate, 60 FPS can help keep things smooth. Make your selections based on your source footage and where the video will be published. Once you're set, click Export. Submagic will open a new tab for the final details. Here you can change the title and description of your video. Keep the title clear and descriptive so it's easy to identify later, and use the description to summarize the content or add any notes you'll need when you upload it elsewhere. Double-check everything, then hit Download again to save the file to your device. Choose a familiar folder so you can locate it quickly when you're ready to share. That's it, you've gone from logging in to editing to exporting and downloading a finished video in Submagic. Save your settings if you found a combination that works well for you, and you'll move even faster next time. Thanks for watching and happy editing.